Look at this. I mean, just take a look at this. My God. This is amazing. Wow. Guys, let me just whoo. Oh man. This is amazing. Woo. 2 seconds, guys. Let me start by saying, Retro Django here. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, the A500++ video part 1, we're just going to look at this beauty, talk about this beauty. Now, this card is a donation from a great friend that I have gained through this YouTube channel, this hobby, Stefan Skotte. You know him on Amiga as Screemo. This is how he does his stuff. I mean, just look at this. It's amazing. So, yeah, this should be a donation as a 100% newly built card. I just received it. We had dinner. I got this card for about 2 hours ago. And to my big surprise, he delivered this one. And he also gave me all the custom chips. A few days ago, we were talking about which chips I had. I said I want to take a closer look. One thing I knew that I didn't have was this one, the Fat Agnes, that's called 8375. Now on the Amiga 500+, you just need this one. My favorite Fat Agnes, because this one can easily handle the 2MB chip RAM. So we were talking about, I would go through my stash with dead Amiga cards. I will repair them all, but I will take this one off one of my Amiga 600s. But yeah, to my big surprise, we got everything from my dear friend Stefan Skotte, Screemo. All RAM, 1MB RAM from Fujitsu from Japan. So yeah, the Amiga 500++ has got onboard 1MB of RAM. It has got an expansion so you can put in 1MB of fast RAM. As you can see here, we have some missing chips here. All that stuff for the real-time clock is built in on this Epson chip, so I'm never gonna install a battery here because Commodore sent these Amiga 500+ cards with a onboard barrel battery. They leak a lot of battery base and they destroy Gary and a lot of chips here. Also, if you have the RAM expansion, they had the battery and they will leak here and destroy a lot of these chips on the data path and all stuff like that, right? Every time that happens, I have to get another Gary chip, data path, but also these traces, they die. So on this one, you can see I can just install a 2032 battery, but I'm never gonna install that because who cares what time is it on an Amiga, right? So this one, the plus, guys, we got the 68,000 CPU. We're gonna do some magic over here in video part 2. Not in this one, because this is a special card, great donation. The case has to be great. We are waiting on a donation dash review example of a great case here on the channel. At the back side, we are waiting for a metal plate from Centurion Tech. So we're waiting on some different parts, great channel donations. When they pop up, I will make a part 2 where we will assemble this. But I can tell you, the 68,000 CPU running at 7 MHz, it will be upgraded. This is a 2.04 ROM, kickstart ROM, it will be updated. 8375, beautiful. Thank you, my dear friend. As you can see, everything is purple, gold, silver, and black. And I love everything about it. My only issue, only complaint is that brown thingy in the middle. But he hadn't a black socket for me. In the future, when it gets, I will replace that socket to a black socket. That's my only issue, guys. So this card, except for the custom chips, of course, but everything else, except one part, is brand freaking new. This is a 99.9% brand new built card. It's so amazing. I mean, just look at those golden caps there. Look at this little thingy for the video out. You can't get them, so this is a new reproduction. Of course, the ECS Denise, Odd and Even CIA, Paula. Oh, I love Paula music on the Amiga. It's absolutely incredible. Gary, Datapath. So one used part on this. I mean, all ports, everything just brand spanking new. Look at the audio, man, gold covered audio. So the used part is this one. This is from another Amiga 500 board. It's the only used part, guys, and it is what it is. So I can't say it's 100%, but it's really, really close. But they're not producing these new anymore. No, not at 28 megahertz. So yeah. So this is from a used Amiga 500, but everything else, but nothing is used. Look at all these. I mean, look at all blue lineup. Oh, I love it. Oh, it's so great. And all the sockets are round ones. They just grip so good. I mean, no issues with them. They're just, nothing falls out. They have just 100% contact here. So I am just so crazy with this Amiga 500 plus revision 8A, and this is revision 2.1C from 2019. I hope that's the latest revision. I really hope so. Oh, Fat Agnes, I love you. So this one has got, as of my knowledge, now I didn't build this. As of my knowledge, I have heard that, over here, that you can, when you have a lot of users use GoCheck Drive with an external floppy drive solution, but some games will boot from DF1, but not all games will work. Then you can just adjust this one, these two jumpers to the right side. That will automatically enable boot from DF1. So if you put in a GoCheck Drive here, it can boot. That's an update, that's built in, that's perfect. From the get-go, Commodore jumped one of these resistors, I don't remember which one. That's also fixed, so it should be like this. Beautiful stuff, I like it. So upgrade. Yeah, it doesn't come with that battery. That's a big upgrade here. As I said earlier, this is, I don't know, just a replacement. As you can see here, this is the power in plug, whatever. And from here you will have these wired line filter. Can't get that anymore, so this is a replacement, and I like it. It looks awesome. I like it, man. I like the gold. I like all these blue thingies here. I like the round sockets. I love that it's purple. I love that it's an ECS system. It's the 8375. It needs the best kickstart ever, which is a 3.1. It needs a little upgrade here. We have to install this in a beautiful case and compact flash card and everything. And I'm just looking so much forward to it. This is a dream card, man. This is... Who made this card? Reverse engineered by Rob Peepo Taylor. Rob, I love you, man. This is just incredible. Beautiful work. Wow. Absolutely astonishing. Oh, I mean, look at this, all the ports, everything. And I asked my friend Stefan, do I get new ports and stuff like that, or would you do like a lot of other people when they buy an Amiga 500 Plus, or if they find an old Amiga 500 Plus that has a lot of battery acid, they buy one of these PCBs and they, jump over all the parts. And he said, old used ports? Are you crazy? Everything's gonna be new. Everything's gonna be brand new. Except this one, of course. But all these data path chips, all this, they're new, guys, or new old stock, I don't know. Of course, the custom chips, they are from the 57th week of 91. No, 42nd week of 91. 39th week of 91. Yeah, so 38th week of 91. Oh man, 91, 42, 99, 42, 91. What can I say other than I'm looking forward to get the rest of the parts and make this video part 2 is gonna kick some A, and I'm sure I'm gonna fall in love with this board. One thing is, I'm thinking about building it in a real nice cabinet, but the other thing in my head is installing it on the wall at the background with, like this, and let the cables hang down here. I don't know, so you can look at this beauty every time I make a video. You can look at this board at the background. I don't know, guys, I'm geeking out. That's because I have so much Amiga love in me, and this is just, I don't know, the feeling is hard to explain. These boards are all through-hole components. Most people can easily build that. I don't know anyone that doesn't know how to solder. I mean, if they don't, you can just show it two, 3 times and they will learn it. I learned doing this in 5th or 6th grade. After dinner we had school where we learned this electronic stuff. So most people can do that. Amiga 1200 has got, surface mounted components. But this is something that I could build also, but I could never solder it as beautiful as Screemo has done. His equipment, soldering equipment, everything is just pro, man. And it's just so beautiful built. If something is off, it will trigger my OCD, but this looks amazing. Wow. Guys, I want to say thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. Maybe you can hear through my voice how excited I am. Since 2018 to today, the amount of donations that I have got through this channel, I can't explain it to you guys. How much love you guys has given me, all the friendship I have gained. It's out of this world, man. I love this hobby, but I don't know. I didn't expect this one to be this beautiful. And on top of that, I didn't expect to, yeah, of course you will also get all the custom chips. If something's wrong, just let me know. I will fix it. And man, I'm a lucky guy. Stefan, my dear friend, thank you for this donation. It's absolutely a masterpiece. Wow. I will share some photos on my Facebook group, Commodore 64-Amiga Retro Django. Oh, we're a lot of people in there. If you're not one of them, come on in and join and enjoy all this Amiga stuff, Commodore 64 stuff. This is wow. Again, revision 2.1c. I'm gonna check and see if this is the newest one. I hope it is. And yeah, in the upcoming video, we're gonna test it. I mean, look at all this gold. I think it's. I mean, think of these joystick ports never used, man. My Amiga 500 Plus has got this in and out back in the 90s 2 million stuff times, all brand new. I can't believe this, man. Wow. All right, guys, thank you for watching this. I'm overwhelmed. So thank you for this donation. Thank you for watching. Thank you for sharing my videos. Thank you for supporting this channel on Patreon. It's incredible, and I hope you watched earlier today. I uploaded a video with this Sidewinder FPGA, another donation, and thank you guys. I mean, thank you. I love this hobby, and I'm giving you a lot of love and pure happiness and luck and love and yeah. Woo-hoo-hoo! This is a virgin slump here. It's nice. Bye.